Ooh, it's about to be good, Jose. Watch this. When the market is in fear, we get in position. When the market is in neutral, it start printing. When the market is in green, we get rich. When the market is in extreme green, we get wealthy. This is big, y'all. See, y'all think I go through this each and every week, but y'all don't be paying attention. This is big, y'all. I want you to pay attention to this. Go back the last 4 or 5 episodes. We've been flirting with 20, 27, 31, 40, 39, 54 today. We at neutral. And we heavy neutral. We not just like light. Like we ain't just got a pinch. We gotta. Jose, I'm not mad at a neutral. Right? That means the market is like, right? And I'm going to be real with you. I credit to the meme mania. Meme mania. We can make money in neutral. It's harder to make, watch this. Ooh, it's about to be good, Jose. Watch this. When the market is in fear, we get in position. When the market is in neutral, it start printing. When the market is in green, we get rich. When the market is in extreme green, we get wealthy. Because we already in position. By the time the market gets to greed and extreme greed, we should already have positions that's, look, like Floyd doing that thing. You know what I'm saying? But I think, and here's why I say that, I think, and I could be wrong, again, it's just my personal opinion, I think the memes, when you start seeing stocks that have no earthly business running, and I want people to understand this, that's not just retail investors. It's not just retail investors. It's not just retail investors. And I'm going to be real with you. It's not always FOMO. Just because you get it, that don't mean it's FOMO. It's saying, yo, let me just get a little piece of it. FOMO is when you thinking, I got to get it up before it fall. I can't miss it. Like, nah, I see the opportunity, boom, put it. It ain't always FOMO. Let's go a little further, Tootie. Let's go a little further. Ah, dang, Tootie jumped straight to recession. God damn, dog. Jump straight to, Jose. Tootie jumped straight to the recession. Nigga trying to count my pocket. Put your hand in my pocket. Put your hand in my pocket, dog. All right, let's get into it then. I ain't tripping. All right, so I told Tootie to put this up today. Yesterday, this was in my buy and hold, so I didn't really put it in the Patreon. And as you can tell, it looks different. So this is in my primary account, right? It's not in my TD Ameritrade. I mean, it's not in my E-Trade account. This is my TD Ameritrade account. So yesterday, I bought 300 shares of GME with the idea to hold it short term. I bought 300 shares, and from the 300 shares, it cost me about $9,000, something like that, whatever that is, and we made $5,400. I bought it yesterday, I don't know, I think yesterday, I think it was maybe like $30, something like that. I bought it, and I just had the mindset of, I'm not even holding it long. Right? Like sometimes I just was like, yo, like, It only makes up a small percentage of that account, less than 2%. I was like, yo, I got, like, I want you to think about something. And y'all understand me, y'all know me, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all understand that I got a pretty nice size account. And I'm not judging nobody financially. But $9,000 doesn't move that account that much, if that makes sense, right? I'm not trying to, it's kind of like Warren Buffett saying he put $100 million into something. Like, you like, all right, if you go look at his positions, $100 million in a position don't even equal 1% of a position for him. You like, bro, 100 million? Yeah, like 100 million doesn't even move the needle for him. If you go look at his position sizes, if he got something that's 100 million, it's not even much, like, it's like 0.85%. It's not even a percent. So, nah, it's crazy. So for me, that wasn't even, I was just like, yo, let me just see if I can make a couple dollars. And I'll be honest with you, it wasn't no fundamental research. It wasn't no sweet option. It wasn't no, how you can lie and be like, yeah, I see this, I see that. I ain't did none of that. It's $30. I know why the stock moving, because my man that came out of hiding. I know people gonna be greedy. I know the market gonna halt a couple times. Let me give him $9,000. And whatever you do to $9,000, I don't care. If you hit, you hit. If you don't, I'll take it and I'll go about my business, right? The $9,000 turns to, we made $4,000 on it. I'm gonna see what he can do by the end of the week. If I see something crazy, I just go to my account and sell it. Now, the problem with this stock is, yeah, it's a starter position for him. 100 million be like, oh, I'm starting a position, right? This is not in my recession portfolio. This is in my long-term portfolio with all my other ones in. So I didn't, there's no fundamental like data here. Just keeping it 100% with y'all. There's no, I won't lie to my people like that. So, we want to see what we can do. We not tripping on it, and we just watch it, and we go about our business. Let's go a little further to it.
What's good, Trappers, man? It's your boy, the Wallstreet Trapper. Right now, I want to invite you to an amazing experience full of value. That is my community, Trappers Anonymous. It's 100% the greatest fundamental investing community on the market. Listen, your portfolio should be a masterpiece. And the only way we get you there is if we help you to learn how to invest with confidence. Now listen, I get it. Like, you don't know a lot about stocks, or maybe you've heard people say how much money they lost in stocks, but I can guarantee you, one, because they weren't in the community, and two, they lack the information. Our goal in Trappers Anonymous is to help you, really to hold your hand on the journey to becoming a confident investor, learning how to navigate through the different events that the stock market goes through to take you from panic to encouragement. There's no better time than now. This is an opportunity only for those who are willing to be on the journey. So listen, man, click the link below. Come join me in Trappers Anonymous, man. I will see you in one of our many classes, whether it's Moat Monday, whether it's the 2-hour class we do on Sunday, or whether it's just a book club. Everything is geared toward making you a better investor so you can triple your net worth and turn your last name to an asset. It's your boy, Wallstreet Trapper. See you in the trap.
Meme stock mania, man. So as we know, man, the meme stock, if you don't know who this guy is, this is the guy Roaring Kitty. If you didn't see the movie Dumb Money, this is what the movie was actually about. This guy right here, the guy turned 57,000 into 54 million.
That boy is good.
Mm-hmm. LaShawna was texting me all day. You bought some?
I did.
I had a feeling. Do not hold that too long. Do not hold that too long. LaShawna was like, these people are going crazy. I'm talking about they going, she sent me some stuff today. I will tell you what I love. I love when people are enthusiastic about the market, no matter what it is. Right? I love when people are just super enthusiastic about the market. But let's talk about it. So this month alone, meme stocks have went crazy. GME is up 330%. AMC is up 122%. Reddit is up 41%. Rivian is up 26%. Neo is up 25%. Lucid is up 24%. BlackBerry is up 22%. Why are they calling them all meme stocks? Because they have bad revenue, bad earnings. There's nothing about the company that actually looks appealing. So that's why I called it meme stock mania. On the other side, damn, that stock is $61 right now. Yeah. I'm cashing out tomorrow. I'm cashing something out tomorrow. I'm selling half of the position. I'm selling half of the position. No. I'm in options. You can hold. How many you got? Oh yeah, you can let them ride. Go on, let them ride, baby girl. Get all you can out there. You hear me? Go on, milk that horse. That's a fact. So watch this. Meme stocks have added $25 billion in market cap in 1 month. While on the other side, in 2 days, short sellers have lost $5 billion. All right, so essentially what short selling is when you borrow, so let's say a shine right here. So if I want to short the market, what I would do is, and the reason why I'm telling you is because I'm about to get into something else with y'all that I wrote down. But if I wanted to short the market, what I would do is I would go to Ashan and say, Ashan, let me borrow so many shares of a certain stock. Right? And Ashan would say, okay, you can borrow the shares from me, but there's interest on you borrowing this from me. So you got to pay me the interest, but you can borrow the shares. And then I take the shares, let's say $400, and I sell it to the market. I sell those shares from Ashan to the market for $500. Right? And when I sell those shares to the market for $500, then what happens is if the stock goes back down at a loss, I then buy the shares from the market and then return them to Ashan. And I make $100. That's what short selling is. That is an extremely hard thing to do for new investors. Right? And if you want to look at it, go look at the movie The Big Short, or go look at Billions when he shorted a company and Taylor squeezed him, what's called a short squeeze, and they thought they was going to put him out of business or make him lose a lot of money, but he had to go pay the dude who owned the shares a whole bunch of money, and then what he did wind up doing was making them lose money.